Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today your ma'am is going to tell you a new rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. Let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, one more time. We'll revise. Fine. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Hope you like this rhyme. Thank you.